Do you know Tamil is easier than you think? Let's learn the basics in just 2 minutes. Hello everyone. Today we are going to learn Tamil alphabets or Tamil alphabetical in a very simple way. Tamil has 12 vowels, 18 consonants and also some special Grantha letters. Don't worry, I will make it super easy for you. Let's get started. First, let's know all the vowels which is called weir elliptical. A, I, U, E, I, O. These sounds are quite similar to other Indian regional languages like Sanskrit, Hindi, Telugu, Kannada, right? So this part is easy. Learn this well and Tamil becomes much easier. Now let's know all the consonants which is called May elliptical. Ik, ing, ich, inj, it, in, it, ind, ip, im, I, ir, il, iv, ir, ir, in. Some letters may sound similar at first, that's completely normal, and we'll cover those tricky pronunciation in our next videos. Now let's look at the Grantha letters. So these letters are borrowed from Sanskrit sounds and are often seen in names or some special religious words. Those are Ja, Sha, Sha, Ha, Sha. So today we learned 12 vowels, 18 consonants and Grantha letters. If you have any doubts or questions or if you want more videos on Tamil or any other language, just let me know in the comments. And next I'm going to cover our last South Indian language alphabet which is Malayalam alphabets. So stay tuned to unlock another new language with me. And if this video helped you, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. See you in the next video. Thank you.